so bright. First I will catch little voice in glimmering lights, waiting to fetch. And now around this world I fly. Yes, I will reach out for the sky. Now I will forever try, searching for another kind. Where to walk into another world. And the little voice calling, and the little voice calls me again. And the little voice calling, and the little voice calls me again, again. Anywhere is anyone in outer space. No, that I'll be not alone, not alone with the human race. One word to talk, and then there's a world I fly like a butterfly. And the little voice calling, and the little voice calls me again. And the little voice calling, and the little voice calls me again. And the little voice calling, and the little voice calls me again. And the little voice calling, and the little voice calls me again, again. And I'm still waiting now, I'm still waiting.